Guess the animal by their silhouette quiz. If you score 8 out of 10, trust me, you are a genius. Which animal is this? Answer C, dog. Can you guess this animal? Answer C, cat. Guess this animal. Answer B, rabbit. Which animal is this? Answer B, cheetah. Can you guess this animal? Answer B, lion. Guess this animal. Answer A, elephant. Which animal is this? Answer C, giraffe. Can you guess this animal? Answer A, jellyfish. Guess this animal. Answer A, dolphin. Get ready for your last question. Comment your score below and share with your friends. Which animal is this? Answer B, octopus.